Hi beauties, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. So I didn't go ahead and recorded the whole process only because I've already shown how I do fills, file, and all that. And if you want to see how I do it, go ahead and look at my previous videos for a more detailed video. Here, I'm just going to show you how to design the airbrush look. I'm applying a nude base, and then in my index finger, we are using our must-have base coat, and we're also doing it on these 3 fingers. Guys, base coat allows your polish to last, and not only that, it also allows it to apply so nicely, and you'll see right now when I show you. And also, whenever you use it on a manicure, guys, it just makes everything last longer. Now we're applying a second to third coat of polish only because we want to cover the white polish. And this is a polish from Now Reserve Sea, Swing, and Sun, if I am correct. I always get it confused, but I love this gel. It's super nice and goes with every skin tone. Now we are using our number 96 brown, and look at that beauty of chocolate color. Gorgeous is the color. And look at the consistency and pigmentation, guys. Like I said, our polishes are pigmented. You literally only need 1 coat if you must. And if you apply it nicely, you don't need many coats. I only do 2 just for preference. And then I'm using our Artistry Nails cleanup brush, which now it's out of stock, but we are restocking soon, so stay tuned for that. And you can also pre-order. And if you order any other products, you can go ahead and receive the products first at no extra cost, and then we'll ship you the brush separately at no cost to you. Look at the consistency. Look at the coverage, guys. This was a number 26 beige. I absolutely love our formula gel polishes. Look how beautiful they are. And this is just 1 coat using our base coat. Like I said, if you guys struggle with that, definitely try out our gel polishes and also our base coat. Super, super duper nice. And look at 1 coat. Look what 1 coat does. So nice. I'm not exaggerating. You can see it is just beautiful. And then I always clean up with a little bit of acetone on the brush, not super wet, but just damped. And I try to get as close to the cuticle as possible. That's why I always have to tend to clean it up like so. We're adding a thin second coat just for extra coverage, but like I said, 1 coat will do. And if you guys are interested, guys, in learning how to do acrylic nails, whether that's for a hobby, for yourself, for you to start doing nails, check out our online nail course. It is actually on sale right now for 35% off for Cyber Monday. Definitely check out our website, artistrynails.net. We are having a Cyber Monday sale up to 55% off, guys. That is like the biggest sale we've ever had. And right here, I'm just using my liner brush and my French manicure cleanup brush to create this beautiful French tip. And we're just cleaning that up. Look how beautiful. Especially when it comes to French tip, guys, you need a well pigmented polish like so. That way you don't have to do too much and make it a bulky nail. But like I said, our products are up to 55% off right now. You do not need a code. You just go shopping and that is all. We are doing a big Black Friday. We did a big Black Friday sale, and now we're doing an amazing Cyber Monday sale. Now we added some acetone to our airbrush machine, and then we're adding the brown. The brown, we're gonna add it onto the nude beigey color. And I tell you, this aura effect is super cute and simple. We're creating like an ombre on the other ones. Hi, I'm Myra Vargas, creator and owner of Artistry Nails. Are you interested in becoming a nail technician but don't know where to start? Well, this is your opportunity to learn from me and my 15 years of experience in the nail industry. My beginner's acrylic nails course is a perfect start for you. In this program, I will be sharing the basics of acrylic nails, schooling, and everything in between on how to become a successful nail tech. I'm excited to offer you all my knowledge in this program that's perfectly designed to help you get started with your nail career. Make sure to purchase your program today. This program is available in both English and Spanish. Again, thank you. I'm Myra Vargas. I'm excited to be a part of your growth as a nail technician. Like I was saying, this aura effect is super cute and you just have to know how to manage the airbrush machine. Once you get the hang of it, it's so easy. And we're creating this ombre effect on this color. And it's so nice, guys. I was struggling at first, but when you do it more and more, you kind of get the hang of it. Now we're doing it on the other hand. But like I said, all our products are up to 55% off. And you do not want to miss out on this sale. This is, I'm telling you, amazing, especially on our online nail course that we just promoted. It is a must do. You guys will learn a lot and it's on sale. 35% off is actually a great deal. So now after we did that, we're using the beige color 26. We cleaned up our machine with acetone and now we're adding it, creating the aura effect on the darker tone. And like you see, I removed it because I didn't care too much for it. So don't feel stuck on it. You can always remove it with acetone if you're not liking it. And you kind of go like in an upward motion, up, down, just gently applying the color. Then we do cure this so it won't move. Then we go ahead and clean up anything that must have gotten on the polished nude part. Now we're matting these down because we are going to be adding stars. I personally like to do this. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. It just depends, depending on how many art is on top, how much art is on top. Like I said, I don't want to mess it up. So in order for me to clean it up without messing up the aura effect, I do that with a purpose. So I'm doing some dots here using our dotting tool with a gold metallic gel. And this French manicure brush is amazing, guys. I kid you not, it's a must-have. It helps clean up anything. And like I said, I mat it down just so if I need to technically delete anything on top of that, I don't want to erase the aura effect. Now right here, we're creating a beautiful heart with some spikes coming off of it. And this is why I love our marble palette, guys. You can just put gel on top. You can also use the ring palette, which is also cute and tiny, and it'll help with nail art. If you guys are not following us on Instagram and TikTok, you guys shall, because we post daily content there, stories, reels, every single day. And here we do twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays. And we're getting better at doing lives. It's just a little hard because we are busy, but I am trying my best to make that a routine. And I always post it when I do go live. So stay tuned and follow us for more daily content here. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to our channel. And if you ever have any questions, comment down below and I will always respond. And also, if you guys want to see anything regarding nails, comment down below and I'll do my best to do a design. It's getting time for Christmas and I'm super excited because we have a new launch of Christmas acrylic glitters. We are excited and I gave a sneak peek yesterday, but they're just gorgeous. I can't wait to show you guys. Such a beautiful design. And our diamond top coat, guys, this is a must-have in your nail kit. It is also gonna be on sale on Cyber Monday on our BOGO deal. We did that for Black Friday as well. We're doing it again. Buy one, you get one half off, showing our gratitude towards everybody and showing our support. We appreciate you guys, and that's why we're doing this big sale. Definitely take advantage. and you cure this for 1 minute. It is a stain resistant top coat and we love it. It's high gloss, high shine, light viscosity, and you need it in your nail kit. Once everything is cured and set to go, we put some cuticle oil and we take pictures. Guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I enjoy recording it and filming it for you guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, don't forget to put them down below. I will always read and respond. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you all so much for your support, and I will see you guys in our next video. Till next time.